Hello, in today's video we are going to review this stand. This is the Nulaxy and it's really great. I love it because it comes in different colors, but the other thing that I love the most is that you can fold it if for any reason you're gonna travel or you're gonna keep it, you're gonna take it somewhere else. This one you can fold it and you can keep it like this, and you can keep it and take it with you wherever you want, okay? And even if you are in an airplane, it's not very heavy, and you can unfold it and watch a movie. If you're going to a short trip, use it however you want, okay? And also it has this very sturdy material, and it has these so your phone doesn't slip off. And also at the bottom it had some anti-slip material as well, but I have had it for a while, so it doesn't have them anymore here, but it's really great. And as you can see, also has this hole right here, and this will work perfect if you need to connect it. Like, you will just put your phone right like this in here, and you will put your cable right here, and through here it will go, okay, in case that you need to connect it. Or you can also put it horizontally, and then you can just also put it this way or this way, okay? So you can rotate it as you like. It's really, really great and useful.